Fats. Today we will talk about a very important food nutrient called fat. Fats provide energy to our body by changing themselves into the body glucose. Fats get stored in our body and release energy when we require it. Hence, they work as a storehouse of energy. We can get fats by consuming food items like butter, cheese, whole milk, vegetable oils, etc. Deficiency of fats can cause stunted growth, and as a result, the person becomes very thin. Excessive consumption of fat can cause a state called obesity. So fats are an important food nutrient. Right amount of fats keep the person healthy and in his normal physical state.